Okay, next we will tell you how to replace this scooter's charging mouse, the battery, or the motor controller. 好的，接下来我们会示范一下如何去更换这个车子的充电口，或者电池，或者那个电机控制器。首先呢 ，first, you need loosen the two screws here, this one and this one. 好的，首先呢，你们需要把这颗螺丝拿开，这颗螺丝，还有这边这颗螺丝松掉，松掉之后 ，then you need take out the handlebar. 接下来就把这个龙头取掉，取掉龙头之后 ，OK，let it alone， 把它放到旁边。And next, you need you can see there are four cover, four black small cover. And under them there are screws. 把那个，你会发现这有4个盖子，把盖子取掉之后，你就会找到4颗螺丝。Then remove the 4 screws. 把这4颗螺丝取掉。Use the tools we prepared for you. 用我们准备好给你的螺丝刀扳手去取掉这4颗螺丝。You'd better buy some longer tools. 最好的话是去五金店去购买一些长一点的。The longer tools will make it easier. 长一点的工具呢，会让这个拆卸更加容易一点。OK， 可以了。And then use tools. Remove the 2 screws. Remove this screw. 它同时按是吗？一边不动一边动是吧？对。So one side freeze and this side you just turn to loosen the screw. 你用2个扳手，一边就是那个扳手不动，固定住，然后这边这个扳手呢就拧这个螺丝，把它拧出来。Okay. Don't missing any small parts. 不要错过任何的配件哦。And then you just need to remove the big screw here. 接下来呢，就是拆这个大的螺丝，把这个大的螺丝拆掉。Okay. And finally, you can.
应用，拿个尖锐钳，快。
And remove this part. Okay. Remove this part. 把刚才那个圆套筒取掉之后 ，and then remove the cover. 然后把这个上盖就可以取下来了。Here you can find many lines, and the remote controller, the motor controller, the battery, and the charging mouse are all inside. 然后呢，你会发现这里有好多线，这里面呢就是电池啊、电机控制器啊，还有充电口都是在这个里面，这个里面你都能找到的啊。可以不用拆。Okay, you need tools to remove this screw. This is to fix the charging mouse. 你要取掉这个螺帽，这是用来固定这个充电口的。你把那个螺帽松掉之后，就可以取掉充电口了。OK， 不需要取了，不需要取的，给它演示一下。这个充电口给它演示一下。
拿不出来。
哦 ，OK. So we need remove the charging mouse. Then we can take out the motor controller. 我们需要取掉充电口，取掉充电口之后呢，才能把那个电机控制器拿出来。There is a nut there. It's a nut there. You need tools to loosen it. 那有个螺帽，把螺帽松掉，充电口呢就可以取掉了。Okay, it's a little complicated. It's a little hard. It's a little difficult. 好的，有一点点难度啊，但是可以拆掉的。And be careful when you remove the nut. 当你拆这个螺帽的时候要小心一点。The nut is very tight. Okay. Okay. You see the charging mouse. You should first make this, and this is the motor controller. You see, there are lines connecting. You need when you want to replace this, you need take pictures to know, so that you can know which cable connect which cable. OK， 如果要更换这个电机控制器的话，你需要先拍照片，这样的话你就知道哪一根线是接哪一根线的。OK, this is the motor controller. This is the charging mouse. 啊，这是什么？电池啊？
电机线。
This is the motor cable. 不用拔了。可以不拔了 ，OK。If you want to replace it, you need disconnect all the cables, OK. And next, let's find this is the battery. OK, you can take it out and change another battery. That's all. If you do these things one by one, and one step by one step, you can make it, I believe. 如果你做这些，你可以一步一步的根据这个视频去做这个拆卸，看你要换哪个就换哪个。This is the battery cable connector. You need to cut this cape, and then you can find the connector and just plug it out. 这个是电池的连接线，电池跟连接电机上面的。把这个热缩管用剪刀剪开就可以看到插头，然后把插头一拔就可以换电池了。OK, that's all.
充电口的线你说没说？
说了。啊？哪里？
这也要拔下来，说没说
？And this is the charging mouse cable. It's for charging. If you want to replace the battery, you need also disconnect this cable. 这个是充电口的连接线。如果你需要更换电池的话，不止这个电机与电池连接线要拔掉，这个线也要拔掉。OK, so that's all. 好了，到此就结束了。OK, thank you.